What is happening, you beautiful people of the internet? I actually don't even know what exactly is gonna all be in this video, but because I told myself, I'm like, I need to upload more, and the only way for me to upload more is to film more. So I'm literally just gonna film everything every single day, and if it makes it in the video, it makes it in the video. By the way, I just woke up, so this 2002 suspension I have all taken apart here. We're taking it up to a buddy of mine's house, and we are going to sandblast it. I gotta get these loaded up in the Range Rover. We're gonna go sandblasting.
12 seconds later.
We are up at my buddy Ron's place. There's an old Ford F100 pickup truck that he has all Corvette suspension on. Cobra Le Mans engine in it. This thing is absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at this thing. I actually made the exhaust on this truck, but yeah, you guys can see that's all Corvette suspension under there. There's an old 240Z, and I think that's a Mustang Mach 1. This is what we got so far. So I have these, I guess somebody might have made these, but these are solid subframe mounts. We got those cleaned up, but this also has like adjustable rear subframe plates that somebody modified. We got these sandblasted. I got this sandblasted. I didn't go absolutely crazy on this. I just wanted to get the pitting off of it so I can get some good paint. I'm gonna do the other control arm, then we're gonna head out of here, probably work on the interior in 2002. Before we get started on finishing the interior, I'm actually gonna pull the headers off and get these finished welded. If you guys haven't watched the last video, I made these custom set of headers, so go watch it. Shouts to Tracy Morgan, you inspire me, man. Just right here on each runner, I have a tack, and then up on the actual, like where the runners bolt onto the flange, there's a tack holding it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these tacks off and get this apart. Also, you guys might ask, like, yo, why aren't you back purging it? You should probably be back purging it. You guys are 100% right. The thing is, I'm probably gonna remake these headers before they're ever gonna crack, so not really worried about wasting $100 in argon and back purging it. That being said, let's get to welding.
Gotta understand these fake fucks and not your mans. Need disappear where? Right here. Creeping through the cold nights here. To get on my level, 1 million light years. My jewelry box is like the habitat for white bears. After I'm finished in the sauna, I jump into some freezing cold water. Shaking like I'm reading from the Torah. About to tat a spell on my skull. Hanging from the snake's mouth. Coming out of pyramid. Now I'm getting dirty looks. Guess I could've wore a different shirt. Popping wheelies on the Harley down 53rd. Break the guitar right after my solo bit. I could've been in Guns N' Roses solo bitch. Got the back Chevy jumping like a pogo stick. You motherfuckers know that I'm the logo. Motherfuckers know that I'm the logo. Teddy West and Teddy Morgan. No Red Bull, man. Jay next to me. Dirty mountain tiger to the face. Space. As I entered, I felt that everything was centered. Oh shit, I think I'm back next to the placenta. Then I woke up in a Nissan Sentra in the parking lot of Queen Center. Don't hurt me, baby. My grandparents learned English watching Martin. My grandparents learned English watching motherfucking Martin Lawrence. Wheel of Fortune. All my children.
Many minutes later.
It was hours and hours and hours of welding. The headers are finally done. Kind of. You guys can see right there, I don't have the collectors welded all the way together. Unfortunately, I just ran out of argon. I know there's gonna be questions of, yo, how the hell are you gonna weld in there? But I have a cool trick to show you guys to get that welded. Guys, just look at these headers. They are a damn work of art. We got the step section there welded together. That looks so cool. To get this all welded nice, and you guys can see how it like radiuses in, then goes into the pipe. I literally just heated this up, tapped it with a hammer, brought it around, welded it, and ground it down. Used this little doohickey thingy, just taped a piece of sandpaper onto this. And I spun it around in there and it's super nice and smooth. So the exhaust is gonna flow excellent through this header. But I'm so excited to hear what this thing sounds like.
The next day.
All Alright guys, bit of change of plans. I am up at the shop. I have my friend Colby's car here right now. We need to change the clutch in it. Well, actually we just need to put it in. You can see there's no transmission in the car, and we have a brand new box from VAC Motorsports here. We have to put everything together and get this thing ready to go to the track next weekend. Shouting out your shop right now to my YouTube video.
Don't get me in it. I don't want to be in it.
Alright guys, I'm at the shop that I actually used to work at called CNG Performance, but I wanted to show you in the showroom right now because there's some pretty cool cars. This is a, Alan, what year is this car? This MG?
67.
This is a 67 MGB GT because it has a V8 in it, but I wanted to show you the cage work in it because it's absolutely beautiful. Like, this is what I want the 2002 to end up like. Look at this. Brake reservoir inside the car, Samsonus sequential transmission. Look at this. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Side pipes. Oh my lord. And the best part about this car, it's got V8 in it, so this thing must be absolutely crazy on the track. Attention to detail on this car, like all these little fasteners and everything, the brake ducting. Oh my lord. And then this is Alan's 2002. Done a bunch of work to this car. The side exit exhaust that runs through the tunnel here, and I did all the work in the engine bay. So I actually shaved this bay. You guys can see that this bay looks a lot like mine. I cut this big thing out of there, the front thing, patched all through the firewall. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Hopefully my car will be racing against this car sometime soon. To me, I don't care what it is, brand new GT3, whatever. There's nothing cooler than old race cars. If you guys need to get your German cars or whatever worked on, bring it to CNG Performance, a bit north of Pittsburgh. Alright guys, I just took everything out of the box, and oh my lord. So this is a twin disc clutch setup. This is the twin pressure plate. There's two 4-puck clutch discs right here that's gonna go in the pressure plate. Coolest thing about this setup is this flywheel. This might be the lightest flywheel I've ever held in my life. It might weigh like 3 pounds. Isn't that right, Jay-Bird?
Yes, sir.
This pressure plate is gonna sit on the flywheel like that. One of the nicest things about this, all the rotating weight is inbound, so there's not as much centrifugal force acting on it, so this thing is going to rev and downshift so fucking fast. Also has an internal slave cylinder, which I don't really like because they're a pain in the ass to bleed. We got the old flywheel right here, and this is a JBR lightweight flywheel, so pretty good flywheel, pretty lightweight. Being a lightweight aftermarket flywheel, the comparison to this flywheel is still absolutely insane. This thing is going to rev so fast and it's gonna sound absolutely sick. I need this clutch setup for my car.
Others would hate, but I don't give them no credit. Don't wanna date them at the crib.
All right, I got the clutch packed together. All the discs are in a line where it's supposed to go. Now we're gonna throw it up on the flywheel.
Getting tapped off in the front row of the opera. As Bo Shelley sings my celly rings. I gotta go, you never know how good it feels to lay in bed with me. Man, I'm not exactly flawless, but I'm gorgeous.
2,000 years later.
All right guys, after hours of fighting with the transmission to get it in, I got it in, I got it put back together. I had to put the wiring harness back on because that was taken off, because originally I thought that I was changing the engine in this car, but we're keeping the engine, so I had everything disconnected, so I had to reconnect everything. Just topped it off with coolant right now. I'm about to give it a start up. Fire on the kill switch here. here. I'm ending the video right now. Colby's car, I did not get it all the way done because I need a tiny little -3 AN fitting for the clutch line. I have that on the way. That's gonna be here tomorrow, so I'm gonna film tomorrow putting his car together and everything. The engine out of the 2002 because we are going to start building this. You guys notice that box down there has some pistons in it and stuff. I have the headers put on the cylinder head. I was actually, pop this exhaust valve off real quick. I was actually port matching the exhaust runners, ensure the ports on the cylinder head match up to the exhaust runners, and they do, like, literally perfectly. So there should be no hindrance, it's a big word, with the exhaust flowing into the runners. And these headers, like, I know I keep on saying it, but it just looks like a damn work of art. And it's gonna sound so cool. Being up at the shop around the race cars and working on Colby's car has me so excited to get this car finished. And I wanna get this car finished and on the track so unbelievably bad. And you guys notice I actually stole the wheels off of the E30 just for the thumbnail of the video, just to look cool. I literally have them propped up. The E30 is on the jack. I literally just have them propped up. You guys are probably wondering, what the hell is going on with this freaking cage thing here? I did not like how the cage was in this car. I thought it was way too small and way too dinky. Or I actually cut holes through the firewall there. I attached the roll cage down from the main hoop down to the rear shock towers, and yes, those are reinforced. Down to the rear shock towers, added this big X-brace. Added these door bar reinforcements in. It used to just be this pipe going all the way down there. I added this in, that X over there. Added this bar under the dash, cut holes through the firewall. Then I put piping going from the pipe under the dash all the way up to the front strut tops. So this thing is going to be so unbelievably stiff. And yes, I'm gonna finish all that up. The next video on the 2002 is literally gonna be getting this car ready for paint. I'm probably gonna paint this car here. It's a damn race car. I don't know why I want it. I'm just gonna spray it and see how it goes. It's gonna be my first time painting. The new cage in this thing just makes it look so freaking beefy. Close the video out now. If you guys are here to the end of the video, drop down in the comments just right till the end. I'll like and reply to your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really hyped to start pumping out content for you guys because I'm gonna pick up the camera every single day now, and if it makes it into a video, it makes it in. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. As I always say, dream so big get scary. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one.